Hello, graphic designers. They say we are in a recession, and they say it's gonna get worse. So I wanna tell you 3 things that I think every graphic designer should do to prepare for a recession or any sort of economic uncertainty. My name is Dave, and I'm the founder of Print Design Academy, where we teach graphic designers to be experts in print and packaging design. Now, the first thing I think every graphic designer should do is to learn new skills.
I don't even have any good skills.
Now, this could be learning something completely different. Like if you're a brand designer, learn more about web design. If you're a web designer, learn more about print and packaging design. But this could also be brushing up on your area of expertise. This could be learning about new technologies in your area. Hello, ChatGPT, hello, Midjourney, those sort of things. Just an overall increase in your problem-solving value to your design clients and future design clients. Now, these things apply to freelance creatives, but also in-house designers. Increasing your value if you're an in-house designer just means that you are less likely to be laid off in any sort of economic uncertainty. Number 2, learn sales skills. When markets get tight, when there's less design work out there, things get scrappy. Now, when things get scrappy, if you know how to sell, if you know how to negotiate, things like that, if you know how to communicate with your potential design clients, you are just increasing your chances in those competitive spaces, increasing the likelihood that you're gonna win more of those opportunities than you will lose. Now, there are 3 books that I recommend you dive into if you aren't quite sure where to start with this whole sales skills thing. Book number 1, Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss. An incredible book on negotiation from a former FBI negotiator, like big time negotiator. Great book. Number 2, Sell or Be Sold by Grant Cardone. I think the title speaks for itself. Sell or be sold, win or lose. You wanna win, you wanna win more of those. Number 3, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This is a classic book that has stood the test of time and continues to deliver results for people all over the place. Learn sales skills. This will be an invaluable thing for you to have in those competitive, tight market situations. Number 3, start building an audience on LinkedIn. Instagram is saturated. There's so much design posted to Instagram. TikTok is TikTok, and you either win or you don't on TikTok, super hit or miss. But LinkedIn is largely untapped by creatives. Now, in my sales career, I use LinkedIn every single day to find out who I should be connecting with in a company that I want to do business with or that I want to sell to meet new high-profile contacts, to connect with other people. LinkedIn is just an invaluable resource to find out who you should be talking to and build relationships with buyers of design work, the marketing managers, the CMOs, that sort of thing. LinkedIn is the place to do that. So there you have it. Those are the 3 things that I recommend every single designer or creative really start implementing even before signs of economic uncertainty start to bubble up and hit the surface, before recessions start to take place. These skills will help you immensely in those times. Now, since you are an action taker and you're going to start learning new skills today, watch this video right here. This video will teach you how to design labels. Labels are always needed, recession or not. Labels. Learn how to design labels right here.